Hi everyone, this is Arun Reddy here. Welcome to my YouTube channel Arun Reddy Tech for You. And in this video, our topic is index plus match function part 1. So in this topic, we are going to learn introduction of match function, introduction of index function, and how to combine index plus match function. So friends, if you want to learn Excel, you can go through my channel playlist. In playlist, you can find Excel for beginners and Excel level 2 folders. And if you don't want to miss my video, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to like and share my videos. Coming to Excel, you can see there is a student table, student marks table. Now I have taken a match example and index example, and third example which is combination of index plus match. So let us start with first match example. So first what I have done, I have taken a search value Mishra, and now I want the row number. So what match function will do, if you give any value, it will show the row or column number. So for example, you can see here there is a Mishra, right? So Mishra is in the fourth row, first, second, third, fourth, right? Same way science is the first, second, third column, right? So let us see how this match function will return the value. First we have to type is equal to match function. So match open bracket, first we have to select the lookup value. So where is the lookup value? Here, G5 Mishra, right? So let me type comma. Now you have to select whole column, comma 0, because exact match, right? So let me close bracket, enter. Nice. Now you can see it is showing 4. Suppose if you are selecting Hemant, so let me copy this Hemant and paste here. So when I paste Hemant, automatically the row number will convert into the 5. So let me paste C. It has turned into the 5. Nice, right? So let us see same way how to find the column. So for example, column you have to type is equal to match, select whole row. Okay, so before that I forgot, we have to first select the lookup value, comma, then select whole row. Okay, so select whole row, comma, next 0, close bracket, enter. Nice, it is showing science as a third column. So you can see student name is the first column, max is a second column, and science is a third column. Nice. So this is how our match function will work. Match function will work either on the row or column. It cannot work together, right? So let us move to the next one. So in the in the index, it will be reverse. Now here you have given the Hemant, right? So if you give Hemant, it will give the value as value as row value 5. If you give the science, it will give the column value as 3, right? So in index it is reverse. So now here we will give the row value, it will give the value. Here I will give the column number, it will give the value. So let us see. So is equal to index, right? So first, in the match we have selected the lookup value first, second we have selected the array, right? So in index reverse, first we have to select the array. So I will select whole column, comma, next I will select the row value, which is lookup value, close bracket, enter. Nice. Now it is showing Hemant. So see, you can see I have given Hemant here. It has given row 5. So here I have given row 5. It is giving the Hemant. So match and index are opposite to each other, right? So let us go to the next one. Here I have taken for the column. So for column I will type is equal to index open bracket. Again, first select whole column. Sorry, it's a whole row. Then I have to select the column number, close bracket, enter. See, it is showing as a science. As I said, reverse to the match function. Here I have given science, it has given column 3. Here I have given column 3, it has given science. Now index function will also work on whole table. For example, if I take row 5 and column 3. So what is row 5? It's a row 5, this one is a row 5, and column 3 here it's a science, and a row is a Hemant, right? So what is the value? It's a 100. So Hemant science marks is 100. So fifth row and third column is 100, right? So let me type is equal to index open bracket. As I said, first we have to select whole table, comma, next first of all you have to take the row value. So remember, row is the first. Next you have to select the column, which is N9, close bracket, enter. See, it is showing 100. Nice, right? So index will work both row and column together. Okay, so match function will either work on the row or column. It cannot work on the both values, right? So now let us move to the next one. So here let us combine index and match, and let us see how it will work. So for this I will just copy the same already we have done for the row, column, and index. So I will just copy the same formula. I will go to here, but I will just make the table array into the absolute, because it will change when I copy. So I will just say okay, nice. Here also I will make them as a absolute. So function F4, enter. Right, here also B3 to B8 E18, function F4, absolute reference, enter. Nice. So now let me copy this one. So I'll just copy, Control C, Control V. Same way here also I will just copy and paste here. Nice. Here also I'll just copy the formula and paste here. Nice. Now let us go to the next one. Here what is happening now, when I give Hemant science marks, automatically I should get the value. But the problem is, match what it will give the row and column, and index what we can do, it will give the value, but we have to give the input as a row and column. So what we can do, we can use match and index. So what match will do, match will convert the Hemant and science into the rows and columns, and index will convert the rows and columns into the value. So combination of match and index, what happens if I give Hemant and science? First of all, it will convert into the row and column, then index will understand the row and column, and it will give in the value. Here is a perfect example. Here what I will do, I will type index is equal to, I will take student table whole array, then I will say match Hemant. That means I will select the whole row and I will select the Hemant. Okay, same way I will say match science. Okay, so blue color, it's a blue color, you can see it's a column, and red color, it is, you can see the row, right? So automatically the index will understand, because match will convert into the column, match will convert into the row. So index can easily understand and it will give the value. So the same thing is happening. So what is happening, match will convert the value into the row and column number, and index will convert the row and column number into the value. So let us do combine index and match. So let me combine both index and match. So I will type index. Okay, so index first, again table, whole table, right, comma. Now I want row. So how to get the row number? So instead of directly typing 5, what I will do, I will type MATCH. So remember, instead of typing row 5, I am typing whole match. So automatically match will give me the row value as 5, right? So I will type first lookup value, comma, select whole column, comma, exact match, close bracket. So I have done with the row. Now let us move to the column. So again for column, MATCH match, select the again search value, which is lookup value, comma, now whole column, sorry, whole row, comma, exact match 0, close bracket, close the index bracket, enter. Nice. Now you can see it is showing the 100. How we got the 100? So the thing is, for I have given Hemant science marks. So what happened? The match has converted into the row and column, and index has understood the row and column, and it has converted into the value. So this is how our index and match together will work. So friends, hope you have understood. Keep practicing. Thank you.